Today's episode is Chandler knocks down the vending machine / grounded.
Okay, class. Today at this time we are going to take a social studies test.
Excuse me, Mr. Dallas. Can I use the restroom?
Yes, but please be back in 5 minutes. I got a class to teach.
Yes, sir. I'm going to knock down those vending machines. Ha 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 ha. Yes, I knocked down those vending machines. Yes, I knocked down those vending machines.
Hey, what the heck did you just do?
Oh crap.
Did you just knock down those vending machines?
Yes. I knocked down those vending machines.
That's it. I'm telling the principal about what you just did.
No 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 no.
Oh my God. Chandler. How dare you knock down those vending machines? Now we'll have to put them back where they belong. Plus, knocking down vending machines can cause damage. That's it. You are suspended for 3 weeks. Go home right now. Chandler. I cannot believe you've knocked down 2 vending machines. You know that knocking down vending machines can cause damage. That's it. You are grounded for 3 months.
Go upstairs to your room right now.
Wow.